Viewer discretion is advised.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today we got a special video for you guys. We're gonna try to post bloopers every beginning of the month.
These are just the outtakes, something that like we thought wouldn't be as like professional, so we thought we'd make it its own segment.
Yeah, it's really not professional. Like, if you're like under 15, don't watch this, please.
Don't. Like, even though the thing says TV 14.
Whatever it is, you don't want to see the side of me unless you want to really laugh hard. Just saying. So I hope you guys like it. Have a good one. Oh yeah, and before you guys watch the bloopers, please subscribe. Please leave a like on this video. If you guys like us, please use our affiliate links to buy anything that you guys ever want. Instagram's always popping. You know, all these links will be down below. You guys are awesome.
Check out our kit.
Check out our kit. I thought you said kid for a minute. I was like, wait, what? Fast. Up to 540 megabits per second. Megabytes? Fast. Up to 450 megabytes transfer speed. 450. I can't read. I really can't. Fast. Wait. Fast. Up to 540 megabits. Fuck. Fast. Up to 540 megabytes. Right?
Yeah, bytes.
Fast. Up to 450. Fuck my life. Fuck it. Fast. This is fast. Up to 400. The water drum?
Oh, yeah.
Have you just walked by? Just some dumb
Bro,
shit.
I walk by and then I come back with the crab suit.
Put the feet in first. You unzip the shit? Yeah. Put your feet in first. Put in pants?
No. Put in pants?
Yes, you don't put in pants? Is this fucking thing on?
Alright, bro, you need to zip up my bag. I need to get smoothed up.
Always asking me to do shit for us.
Thanks, Dad.
Alright, get the fuck back over there or
Hang on,
something.
bro, I got just my dick.
Hurry the fuck up.
Can't even see you.
Alright, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back today. Today we're, you know, at Busta-Bust or not. Fuck. I hate downloading apps, man. They take forever.
So the speaker on the back of the thing, like, can you play like music on it?
You can't play music on it. It's just to help you find it.
I thought these were little speakers.
No. I'm so stupid sometimes, bro.
Yeah, sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes, bro. Ha! Let's go! Hurry up! Oh, here we go. Gucci gang, 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 yeah. Spent 10 racks on iPhones, yeah. Cause I'm a broke ass boy, yeah, yeah. I was gonna say broke ass nigga, but I couldn't say that. Follow us on all social medias, you know, our Instagram, our Instagram. I always choke. You know, follow us on our fuck. Yeah, you know, follow us on our social media accounts. We have great Instagram pictures. You know, our Instagram, you know, listen, bro, I'm choking, but let me just give me a fuck you. We're
gonna take a brief intermission.
Several days later.
There we go.
When you're hitting it from one way, you gotta flip it over, you know what I'm saying?
No.
Yeah, because we're a PG channel out here.
So yeah, we got the Glock 9. Even though this is not a Glock, check that out.
This is the stock, bro. See how it has
Oh
the
yeah, bro, it's got the stock.
Wait, is the thing on the back not even straight?
Yeah, it's not supposed to be straight.
No, the cable management.
So we got these busty limo studio lights, and they have a green tint to them. So if you can't tell, I look real green. That's why we were trying out my friend Tyler's video. Yeah. That's why we were trying out my friend Tyler's light to kind of see. Yeah.
Because y'all shouldn't want to look like Shrek no more.
Yeah, I'm tired of looking like Shrek.
Tired of owning this swamp.
You're looking at it. You're gonna laugh, bro.
What are you gonna fuck? Yo, Yo, what if they scammed us? What if like?
What if it's just a bunch of mini boxes?
What if it's just a bunch of boxes, and then like you get the last box and it's like a gold bar because it's so heavy.
Or it's just another heavy box on these Ziploc. So these Ziploc, yeah. Oh, that makes sense.
I've watched so many reviews.
I've watched reviews, not like. So there's like this thing right here. You gotta like pull back, and then you can twist it and take off the lens hood. I guess you'd call it a lens hood or a focus beamer. I don't know. Beamer. You got the adapter. Then I don't know what this is.
It's a sling.
Oh, for the bag. Awesome. That's so thoughtful of them.
That's so thoughtful.
Thoughtful.
Oh, I know that guy.
Manual?
Yeah, Manuel.
For you, dude. Gel silica.
Throw it away.
I'm not a trash.
I threw it away from myself.
So we got the light dome, which is a softbox for the 120D. I mean, it looks like a cannon, but it's not. It's not a real cannon, bro. That connects to the aperture. I looked over there. If you guys are wondering why I'm looking over this way, it's because it's the TV, my monitor, kind of seeing it.
He just loves looking at himself, so...
You're right, though. I mean, look how gorgeous I look right now. Or whatever Cardi B does. And this is the soft dome.
Hell yeah, I love dome.
Alright, so we got this big dome, right, guys? Like, hey, I came in the world like this.
Hey, what's up, peekaboo?
So we got that set up. That's it. So that's our unboxing of the world's biggest condom. So let's set up the lights. Get rid of these busty ass lights. Bust-to-bust lights, and we'll be right back. I mean, technically, I can't show you it right now. I'll show you it right after I'm done talking. But you guys are actually standing on it. Or sitting on it, or whatever you're on it.
Sitting on it.
Well, let's play a new game, bro. Let's play the guessing game. What has 3 legs and you sit on it? Well, you don't sit on it, but like, okay, this is a shitty ass game. So we got a new. One of the reasons I got this tripod is because I heard the head is really good on it. What? Shut up! Stop laughing. One of the reasons I got this we got this tripod was because the tripod head mount is the tripod head is really good. Okay, shut up, bro. So one of the reasons we got this tripod is because the tripod head is really good. It's a fluid mount.
It's sloppy, right?
It's fluid. It's a fluid mount. It's a fluid pan until head. Along with that, the tripod legs are grounders, so you can kind of spread. You can spread them apart. Shut up, bro. You can spread them apart and get really low to the ground if you guys want to get those low shots.
Yeah, how low can you go?
You're so lame, bro.
So is this like an umbrella, or like what does this do?
I don't even know what this boxing
Yo,
is.
tell me low key that it looks like a Mac Pro. I love how you got nowhere with that.
Whew. I guess there was literally nothing in here. I guess I didn't even need to do that. Oh.
Nut. Bust a nut or not?
Bust a nut or nah, bro.
There's nothing in there?
I don't know, bro.
Hi,
You
I'm
put
Siri.
it on there.
Welcome to HomePod. You can't tell, but I'm waving. To get my attention, say, "Hey Siri, let's try it." Say, "Hey Siri, what can you do?"
This ain't Dora, bitch!
Hey Siri, what can you do? Can you not do anything?
Useless as hell.
It has like 7 tweeters and I forgot how many subs or whatever.
I'm gonna spit some facts at you guys.
Bitch.
Coming from my ears, you know, I got pretty precise ears being a music producer.
Well, why are you buying Apple products if you like you have an Android?
I mean, yeah, Apple just makes some good stuff, bro. You know how it be.
Well, if they make some good stuff, buy a good phone.
Like the iPhone 10. We just did a review on that. Check it out over here. Yeah, that way. I don't know how much weight it is.
How much weight it is? Yeah, me too.
Fuck you, bro. Fuck you. Touch and hold for Siri. There she is.
What up, ho?
Hey Siri, tell me a joke.
Get serious. Ha, ha.
Ha ha. Yo, you know how you say like play a song and then she plays beats 1?
Yeah.
Hey Siri, play beats 2.
Sorry, I couldn't find sheets 2 in your music.
Bro, Apple, how long does this fucking take? This thing is like on 3%, bro. Set up Yash's studio. You already know. Ah, fuck. I put it bathroom. Like, I feel like I could be like H3. You know how it's like, oh. Bro.
I'm about to clean them in the kitchen, and we making money by the minute. I'm about to do.
So like, should I start zoomed in or?
Yeah, well, it's whatever, bro. You gotta do it Chad style, bro. Chad 1 style, you know what I'm saying? Bro, real professional.
Bro, what's my favorite tune?
Tune? Alright,